Hey loves, it's me, Ashane Shabree. I really like the way that sounds, so I may just start saying that on every single video now. Yes, I know I look really crazy right now, but it's okay because today I'm curling my hair. I know this is a really highly requested video. A lot of people on my Instagram from my last makeup tutorial really liked my curls and wanted to know how I got them to look that way. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that I use. So here we go. Okay, so my hair wasn't originally in braids because I've been wearing my wigs. I love wearing my wigs. So I took down like the middle braid so I can get to the rest of the braids. So I'm starting at the edges. So I like to go ahead and use a water bottle, but I just put like a little bit. This is spraying out too much. But I just put a little bit of conditioner, some leave-in conditioner. So your preference. I dampen my hair. I get a tiny section. I feel like it needs a little bit more water. So I'm going in with the Maui Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick and curly hair. So I pretty much just get, well, I guess I could get less. I like to do a lot at one time, but I'm trying to see if I can make these last longer. So I'm gonna do tiny sections. So if you guys can see, that's about how much I use. And then I go in, so now I'm going in with the Echo Professional Styling Gel. I'm going to get that same piece of hair. And if you guys can see, this is what it looks like right now. And now I'm going with the next strand, taking a little bit of Maui and the gel. And I'm also using this brush. So now I'm going in with another section, brushing it out, using some of the Maui. And yes, you guys, my setting is different today. I'm at my parents' house, so I don't have my little fancy lights and my other background. I've been meaning to put this video out, so kind of just have to go with the flow and just do it over here, but it's okay. So yes, again, I'm still brushing my hair out. I'm taking a small section, using some of the Maui and some of the Echo Style Gel. I kind of twist it in sometimes. Okay, and then another really important thing that I like to do, and this kind of just helps to define your curls. I like to shake my head, and since I don't have any makeup on today, I can really shake them. But yeah, it really defines your curls. Helps to define your curls. So as you guys can see. Okay guys, so I took down another braid and then I'm starting on this side. And I'm still just spraying the water throughout my hair. Whew. But yeah, so I'm just brushing my hair out. Spray a little bit more water. And I like a lot of water because my hair literally soaks this stuff up. Like, it may look really drenched right now, but give it some time, y'all, and it'll be dry. Okay guys, so I went in with the Maui, then I went in with the Echo Style Gel. Again, I'm going in with the Maui. And I kind of like to go in bigger sections and then I spread it apart. Okay, we're almost finished with this side. So now we are moving on to this side. And I highly advise, if you're gonna do this and like shake your head like I do, to do your makeup after, because it's definitely hard. It's really hard to try and shake your hair with makeup on, because you will most likely mess your makeup up. Okay, so I put water. Need a little bit more water than that. Okay, brush my hair out. And I think you can buy this brush at Wally World, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. This is my mom's, so I'm not for sure. So maybe Sally's or something. Now this is normally how I do it, y'all. And I just like doing it this way sometimes because you can actually feel how much you're putting in there. Like, can you guys see that? I feel like that looks better. And then I like to, so I'm showing you guys different ways to do it. But this is kind of my favorite just because I feel like you know how much product you're putting on. So now you see how when I'm parting it, it looks a lot. This looks curlier to me, if you guys notice that. Okay, so now I'm shaking. You guys are probably like, she's crazy. I look crazy right now. Sometimes you gotta be crazy to look cute. Major tip, when you guys do this, it makes life a lot simpler if you section your hair. Because trust me, if you just have like all of your hair down, or you're working like big sections at a time, oh my gosh. Like, I literally feel like I'm never going to be done doing my hair. And that really will make you like not want to do your hair at all. And I know that's like a lot of thing, or I know that's like the biggest thing for people with natural hair is just like, oh, the time and like, oh, I have to do my hair, like I don't want to, like this is just too much. So if you section it off, I'm like, even when you wash your hair, if you section it off, it makes things a lot easier. Like blow drying, everything. 3 braids down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. And again, you guys, like I said, I like doing this in big sections sometimes. I would love for you guys to go ahead and comment and pretty much tell me which one you find to be more helpful. If you think doing it in smaller sections is better, or if you prefer to do it in like larger sections like this, or maybe you guys have like a completely different technique of like how, you know, you apply your product to your hair. That's really helpful. So that's what it looks like. But yes, I enjoy reading people's comments and kind of hearing what they have to say and like how they do their hair, you know, just to give me some different things to try and pretty much see if it works for my hair. So don't y'all hate how y'all have like certain sections of your hair that just curl a lot better than the rest? Like the back of my hair, I swear I have the prettiest curls. Y'all have so much product on my forehead, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm done with that. Going back to this side. Yay, so we finally made it to the center of my head. Yay guys, we are almost done. We're getting there. Hey guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I will be styling it. If you love these curls, make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on social media, on Instagram at Ashane Shabree, and on Snapchat at Ashane Shabree. I'm rocking the curls. I'm trying to see if I can get a little bit closer. I hope it's not too dark in here, so you guys can kind of see how they look. But yeah,